Hi there, thanks so much for joining us today. My name is Rhiannon and I'm one of the founders of BBQ Spit Rotisseries. Today I'm going to answer one of the most common questions we get asked from our customers, which is what is the quickest way to light charcoal using a chimney? Now the fastest way to light charcoal using a chimney is to also couple it with a Flaming Coals charcoal starter wand. Now our chimneys have been specifically designed to have slots down the bottom. So all you need to do is fill the chimney with charcoal, get your charcoal starter wand and insert it into the slot. And that's how easy it is to light charcoal using the charcoal starter wand and a charcoal chimney. If you'd like to keep upping your barbecue game and stay connected, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, leave a comment below, give us a huge thumbs up, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.